Have you ever looked really closely at the flower of a Callistemon, a bottle brush? The brush is made up of a cluster of flowers on the stem, and what you see are the stamens and the stigma that stick out from the receptacle at the base. It is this receptacle which holds the nectar which birds go and visit. But what we fall in love with is not the honey, not the receptacle, but the color of the flowers themselves, of the stamens and the stigma. And with the morning dew on them, they are looking very, very pretty indeed. To grow Callistemons, bottle brushes, it's relatively easy. Just give them lots of sun, so full sun is the best, good drainage, and that's pretty much it. Most of the cultivars and the varieties are self-shaping, self-height growing. You do not need to do much with them. There are a few pests and diseases, but truthfully, do not worry about them at all. It's part of our native flora, and therefore there are a few native pests, and there will also be native predators to take care of them as well. In terms of mulch and soil, mulch them, yes, please do. With soil, if you've got a Callistemon viminalis, they can handle a wide range of soils, from clay to sand, well drained to boggy. They're probably the best. There are other species of Callistemons like citrinus and pachyphilus and even more. So choose your plant species carefully, but most of the cultivars you'll find in a retail nursery are perfectly fine. Now, fertilizer has often been a question. Do I need to use a native fertilizer? No, not really. They are part of the Myrtaceae family. They're not part of the Proteaceae family, which means they can handle fertilizer. But again, in truth, you do not need to give them much at all. A good mulch layer, an enriched mulch layer, say perhaps a little bit from your compost heap, but the rest as leaf debris, will be sufficient in most cases. So these are great plants, the Callistemons, the bottle brushes, beautiful flowers. You can get ground covers, small shrubs, medium shrubs, tall trees, the whole range. So look for them in your local garden centre, and if you have a spot. These plants are wonderful at attracting the birds, the butterflies, the pollinators, the whole spectrum of wildlife. So please plant them. This is Paul Plant from the Paul Plant Horticulture series. These are the daily YouTube uploads. So please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more daily gardening tips.